Wouldn't it be cool if, instead of having the 365-day, 12-month Gregorian calendar that we have right now, that we just lived guided by the moon? I mean, that's how it was originally. That's why a month is called a month. In Old English, it was called a monath, which literally means moon time. Because the moon just flows, the calendar doesn't. Doesn't actually make any sense. Each month starts on a different day of the week, and the months can't decide whether they should be 28 days, 30 days, 31 days. It's all over the shop. But the moon flows, and we flow with it. Like, I feel my body and mind differently during the full moon. I know it's having an effect, even if science doesn't say it is. I know it is, I can feel it. Sometimes during the full moon, I feel more tired, I've got less energy, and it's almost like I've got a cold coming on. And it happens too often to be a coincidence. I just feel it. And I wish I could actually live by the moon, using a proper moon calendar, like the 13-month calendars where every month has 28 days, and the full moon always falls on the same day. Like it's always on a Sunday or whatever. But the moon cycle is actually 29 and a half days. So I understand why it's not the official calendar, but it would be nice if there was a way to follow the moons better. I've tried it before. I've tried reorganising my life and schedule around the moon, but it was too hard because of the framework that's already in place. I was having trouble maintaining a rhythm because it feels weird to work on a Sunday and then the full moon would come around in the middle of the week and I'd see that as a time to rest, but it's the middle of the week, so it feels weird to rest. And then I have arrangements and deadlines that need to actually have a date set in place, because I can't start using the moon when I'm, like trying to make an appointment with my lawyer. Oh yeah, we can meet when the moon reaches its zenith on the 47th lunation of the Metonic cycle, or Tuesday. It's like you have to live by the calendar, just like you have to pay your taxes and all that bullshit. So you can't fully plan to live by the moon, but you can yield to it, which is just as good, really. It's not a clean system like a planner. It's a reminder that you're part of this living cycle, not just some grid created by the Pope. It's got me thinking now. I wonder if there was a way that I could live by the moon. I suppose a good way to do it would be to see the key phases as anchor points. So when the full moon comes around, it's a reminder to rest and reflect, no matter what day it falls on. So you just go about your day as you normally would. You still have to work, you still have to get stuff done, but you just tune in to the cycle of the moon. So on the full moon, it would just be like less pressure, really, because the moon is telling you to relax. And then the new moon anchor comes around and you tune into that and realize you've got more energy during this time, so why not take advantage of it and get more done? So you follow the calendar for the structure that you need for the I don't want to call it the unnatural life, but I'm struggling to find a better word. That's what it is. It's unnatural to be following these set days because it doesn't leave space for spontaneity and just tuning into your feelings. And then you'll follow the moon at the same time for the natural flow of life. So it's like you got two dials spinning at once. you can't forget about the natural side of life. You can't ignore the phases of the moon. Just like you have to follow the sun. You have to sleep when it gets dark, wake up when the sun comes up, and you have to listen to the moon. I think a lot of people ignore the moon. They're just not following it at all. But if you listen to it and you tune in, you can understand more about yourself. So yeah, I think that's a good plan. You have 2 calendars running parallel to each other. One says dentist appointment at 10 a.m. The other says waxing moon, time to take it easy.